Kadhi nyime kod weche manyien en ni senta mar chiwo arita makare ne chi Liete oger e ward ma Kanyasa e kar od bura mar Nyatike mar mondo mi otiek achiedh nade ma chi Liete kadhe e gwenge makono. Senta noero noger kod duol mar piny Amerika mong'ere kaka Carter Foundation. Director mar Foundation noero Patrice Andre Carter wacho ni omor kod tiyo kod jogweng e kar od bura mar Nyatike mar konyo jogoeko maonge nyalo kaachiel kod jogoeko ma bende yuto gi nitiere piny. Komedo wacho ni lo ma bende noger e senta noero en mich ma bende nochiw kod jogweng noero mar mondo mi giger udi ne chi Liete ma bende onge kod udi.
Here where we are, I think we have got a lot of social problems. Also, we have even the first thing, we have so many widows around, and we also have even orphans, and we also even have widowers who also live among us. When I got an opportunity to talk to the here next to me called Dr. Patrice Andre Carter, I told her that I've been trying to give some small support on my own because just my love, but I don't have any donor anywhere or any support from any place. But even by the time when this things are starting, it was because during the time of the corona, people could not even go and get even anything, and they had a lot of problems. Then she sent me some money, and that money we bought food or food stuff, and we invited all widows. And in that general, we put even other people who could not also afford, or the vulnerable people. About 130 families got that food. So we thought that according to what's saying, that if this home can help, because right now, apart from even the widows who are very much, people know, very popular, there was a man who is a widower. And he has been like that. He has no child, he has no anywhere, but where he is, he cannot even cannot even prepare food. He cannot even have anything. He can even wash his clothes. Such are the kind of people we thought that if he could even get a place where can be some support, have even a place where he can put up, and they will get those kind of support, then that is the kind of the facility Madam Patrice Carter was trying to come up with. Besides that, there are some widows. You have heard even in this area where people even take when their brothers died. Mm-hmm. And their brothers of this man can even go and they will take all the piece of land left to this widow, and then she becomes now completely hopeless and no other place. So those are the kind of people we can even give a kind of a place they can even take some refuge for the time being, when it's maybe looking after what we can do in future. But this one can now be a place which people can even take a refuge for sometimes, or even the orphans who are in, you can even take in here. This home is a place where we can even have a kitchen. There's some people who can even prepare something here for those people who cannot, because most of them, they are helpless. Some of them are even mentally, because right among these people who came in to benefit here, some even mentally deranged, they also have problems. So these are the people she's trying to target, how they can now come and get this facility to help them. And so far, what we have done here has costed up to 3.2 million Kenya shillings.
To bring closure this year, last year in August, even in the midst of the pandemic, God allowed me to be able to come with my children, Kira and Joshua Carter. And we're just honored. Even my husband couldn't make it, but he's a part of this project. So just giving hope back to someone that is hopeless, and to come back to see how beautiful Mr. Joseph and his family trusted me enough to give me an acre of land. One thing, Carter's Foundation is a foundation of integrity. We put our word out here last August. Now the community can come see the finished product. I just didn't say it with words, but now you can see it with deeds.
The poor people who are at the moment are disadvantaged. So we are very thankful for them for that. And if this one is going to continue, we shall be very happy with them.